Most people get this wrong. They assume all online banks are the same. But the surprising truth is that Open Bank offers a full-service banking experience with modern digital tools, especially for European users. Today, I'll give you my honest review. Open Bank is a Spanish online bank with checking, savings, investment, and credit products. You won't believe what happens next. You can open accounts entirely online in minutes with no paper forms. The mobile app is intuitive, supports instant transfers, spending insights, and card management features. Fees are minimal, no maintenance fees for standard accounts, and free debit card usage. Savings accounts earn competitive interest, and they offer an easy way to invest in ETFs and mutual funds directly through the app. Customer support is responsive via chat and phone, which is great for troubleshooting. One limitation is that while Open Bank offers excellent digital tools, it may not have physical branches if you need in-person services. Also, some international transactions can incur fees depending on your location. The surprising truth is that Open Bank combines convenience, low fees, and modern digital features, making it an excellent option for users who prioritize mobile banking and digital finance management. In conclusion, if you want a full-featured online bank with easy account opening, low fees, and smart tools for everyday banking, Open Bank is a solid choice. It's ideal for tech-savvy users who want to manage their money efficiently. Subscribe for more honest online banking reviews to help you make smarter financial decisions.